Hi everyone, welcome back to 53. My name is Stephanie, and today I am very excited to share with you some coffee-free or coffee alternative drinks that Tati and I have been drinking a lot of recently. We actually rediscovered this coffee alternative. It's called Dandy Blend, and my mom's friend, who is a decaf kind of girl, she recommended this to us. We have been drinking this for 2 years now. We will share with you the different methods that you could enjoy a cup of Dandy Blend. Treat it as a regular espresso, if you will. So when you buy Dandy Blend, this is the packaging. We got the biggest bag because we just love this stuff. They come in different sizes. I think this is the largest size that it comes in, but this bag itself can make up to 454 cups of delicious Dandy Blend. Yeah, I mean, there's not much else to say. They give you some recipes on the back, and in terms of the benefits, so it says rich, smooth, full-bodied coffee flavor, but no caffeine, acidity, or bitterness. No additives or preservatives, nothing artificial, totally water-soluble extracts of 3 roasted roots and 2 roasted grains. No gluten. So, if you are a coffee addict and are trying to cut back, it says here that going from coffee to Dandy Blend is easy. There are no withdrawal symptoms. When you pour hot water into the Dandy Blend, you'll see how there is a natural crema forming at the top of the drink, and it is the most satisfying thing to look at. It's black and rich, just like a great espresso shot, and it also kind of smells a little bit like coffee as well. But anyway, I've been talking for way too long. Let's just go into the video. Here's a look at the Dandy Blend powder. As you can see, it's super fine and it looks just like instant coffee. And I'm going to show you how I make a Dandy Blend espresso shot. I added 1 tablespoon of Dandy Blend powder and 30 ml of boiling water. Once you start mixing these two together, you'll notice this natural crema form, and it is so satisfying to watch because it's not coffee, but it looks like it. Now I'm on to making an oat milk flat white. We love Oat Canada oat milk. It is super versatile. It's been used in bubble tea, teas, coffees, and smoothies, but it's especially good in a flat white. And because there's absolutely no sugar in this drink, I decided to have it with a vegan olive oil chocolate chip cookie. Now on to our second drink, which is probably my favorite. It's an iced white mocha. I added some ice to my favorite drinking glass. Hello, this whiskey glass is everything. Makes me feel so old and chic. And after adding 1 teaspoon of Monin White Chocolate syrup, I added my espresso and Oat Canada oat milk. It's so beautiful. Look at that drink. As for a snack, I think pound cake goes with absolutely everything, and it's my favorite cake to eat, so that's why it's there. And now our third and final drink. This is the Irish Cream Latte. All you'll need is 1 teaspoon of Irish cream syrup. This one is by Torani, and I added my espresso shot and oat milk to the glass and mixed it all up. So for this drink, I decided maybe Madeleine were the perfect snack. those were all the recipes we have for you today. We hope it's inspired you to maybe give Danny Blend a try, but feel free to use these recipes for your next espresso-based drinks. They're super delicious. Thank you for watching our video. Everything will be linked in the description box. And give the video a like if you enjoyed the coffee shop vibes. With that being said, we'll see you guys next Wednesday for another video. Bye!